everyone and welcome back to Conn. So in this video we will see how to create an animation column chart. So this animation chart is called as motion chart in Tableau. Okay, so it used to show the data over time. So it will keep on changing the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so let's start. So here I'll just take order date into column. Okay. So here is the order date. I'll just drag and drop into the column. As we have only 2015 here, I'll just expand it to quarter and I'll just expand it to month. Okay. Then here I'll just take sale into row. Just drag and drop sale into rows. So it is a normal line chart, right? So I'll just make it as bar chart. Okay. So this is the bar chart. Here are the 6 columns, right? So if you want to see one column at a time, means one page at a time. Like one column is called as one page. Okay. So if you want to see one page at a time, whatever in the columns, you have to drop into page. Here month is in the column. Okay. Simply I'll just drag and drop order date into page. Okay. And I'll just change it to month. Okay. So here you can see the one page, right? Only one column. If you want to see 10 pages, then it should be 10 columns. Okay. So in my right hand side, you can see the month of order date, which is January, right? This is the January column. And below you can see the animation chart. Okay. So let's do, if you will choose this right arrow, this one, see, it is in February, then in March, then in April, then in May, then in June. Okay. And if you just click this drop down option and click on loop playback, then it will automatically play in the loop. See, automatically. We don't have to need to choose any arrow mark. Okay. See, and if you want to increase or decrease the speed also, you can do that. Just click on this option. See, and if you want to decrease the speed, then click this one. If you want to decrease the speed mode, then this option. Okay, in this way you can do. And here, when you are showing this data, it is showing only one page at a time, right? Only one column at a time. It is not showing the previous pages, right? So if you want to see the previous pages or the previous columns, click on this show history, this one. Okay, first click on this one, then click on this drop down option and click on all. Okay, see, I'll just do this one. Yeah, see, you can see the previous columns also, right? But these are little bit faded away. And if you don't want this faded away option, then click on this show history option and untick this fade option. See, you can see all the data over the time. Okay, so in this way you can just do a animation column chart. That's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.